If you want to remove something from a photo on OPPO Find X9, what you can do is you can go to the Photos app. I'm gonna choose this blue Photos app made by OPPO, and over here we're gonna choose any of these photos. So let's say I want to edit this one. We're gonna tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen, and in here we're gonna go to AI editor, and you should be able to find AI eraser. If you go here for the first time, we need to grant the permission. We have some introduction, you can check that out if you want to, and in this case we have three main options like smart lasso, paint over, and remove people. In my case I'm gonna use smart lasso. I'm gonna draw around the car toy that I want to remove. There we go, it has been selected, and now we need to wait for the results. There we go, it should be done. In case there is something left after erasing the object, you can still try to select the area in order to try to fix it, and hopefully the next time it will be actually better. Well, this time it actually wasn't that much better, it got actually worse. We can still revert to these changes if you want to by using these arrows, and we can tap on done over here, and then once again, once you are done with removing, tap on save in the bottom right corner, and then I'm gonna save as copy. And there we go. Now if you think that Google has a better magic eraser, then in that case of course we have the Photos app made by Google. Over here we can do pretty much the same thing. We can just open the photo, go to edit over here, open actions, and over here we have the magic eraser. Now let's wait. Now we can tap circle or brush, so I'm gonna once again select the area that we want to get rid of. There we go, and we can tap on erase. Let's wait for the results. And there we go, it is gone, so we can tap on this check in order to apply these changes, and then we're gonna save as copy. There we go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.